I am here in a little garden. My little garden is potato. It's big. It's already big, but I need to transfer it here to the big pot so that it will grow more. But I'm worried about if I don't know if it's not getting dry because it's already big. Look, and there is already, look, but I have no choice. I need to transfer this. Yeah, transfer it here. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm doing right, but yeah, I need to transfer it here. This one, I think I leave it here. Do I need to leave it here? Oh my god, guys, there is already small one. Look, sorry. Feel so sad about this because I am doing wrong before I put it this. I need to think about the big pot because this is potato. Uy, patay. Siya man eh. Okay, I put it here. Yeah, hoping this is not getting dry. I'm hoping it's okay to transfer it here. Yeah, because gamay man siya kayo kanang kuan good. Look at, guys, this is already grown, but because I transferred it, so sorry talaga. Kasi nailagay ko siya sa maliit na paso. Umpisa pa lang, kaya yun, sayang. Dami pa naman sanang papalaki na, oh. Sayang talaga. Sana hindi siya mamatay. Marami na sana siyang unod. Marami na siyang unod, guys. Oh, look. Sayang, eh. Oh, dumami na talaga siya. But I transferred it. Sayang. Sana hindi siya mamatay. Naku, I'm doing wrong talaga. Sorry talaga, sorry. Look at, guys, my potato. Sayang, eh.